everyone, thanks for checking out my video. So I'm going to show you how to make huge bubbles with your hands for your kids. Now I have a son, and if you're a parent like me, then you'll probably do almost anything just to make your kids smile or laugh. And so I realized I could do this a little while ago, and I started doing this for my son. So whenever I'm at the sink, now he requests it. He asks for bubbles. So I'm going to show you how to do it too. The soap that you want to use for this is liquid soap. And the ones that I like to use are the ones that are tall, like this. You want to make sure you have the soap that you can squeeze. So all you have to do is just wash your hands. So wet your hands a little bit. And then get a little bit of soap. So just wash your hands normally like you would. And before you add too much water to your hands, clasp your fingers together. And blow. So you'll notice that when you pull them apart, there's going to be a film of bubbles in between your fingers. So yeah, so that's how you make bubbles with your hands. Now, when you're mixing the soap and the water, you want to have a little bit more water than soap so that the bubbles are really big. So with the water, it's going to make the bubbles stretch more. So make sure that you have just a little bit more water on your hands when you start to blow. And you can even come from this angle, like this. Perfect. So yeah, another thing you can do if you want to have fun with your kids is whenever you're washing your hands and you get some soap, all you have to do is squeeze the soap bottle and a few bubbles will pop up like that. Let me do it again, just in case you didn't see it. So just squeeze it and some bubbles will pop up. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know this is kind of a silly video, but sometimes you gotta be silly to impress your kids. So, hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure you like it below. Make sure you comment, make sure you share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later. Bye.
Have you ever felt